Children, now we are dealing with the lesson money, and we studied in the earlier class, in the previous classes we studied addition of money, subtraction of money, and today we will study multiplication, how to multiply money. All of you listen here. Look here, this is our question. 218 rupee 87 paise, and we have to multiply this with 6. So for this you have to write down this 2 in the working column. Look here. Then multiply this number with 6. If you feel any confusion, you can avoid the point in the beginning. After getting the answer, count 2 digits from the right side and put the point. If you are still confusing, then you can do that way also. 6 sevens are 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 sevens are 42. For 42, we write 2 here. 4 carry over goes to this place. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 4, 49, 50, 51, 52. We write 2 here. 5 carry over goes to this place. 6 8s are again 48. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 5. 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. For 53 we write 3 here. 5 carry over goes to next place. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. For 11 we write 1 here. 1 carry over goes to this place. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So this is the answer, but you have to put the point here, paisa part. We know that here two decimal places, 2 digits comes after the point. So here also there must be 2 places. So this is the answer. You have to put a rupee symbol here. The answer is 1313 rupee 22 paise. We read this as 1313 rupee and 22 paise. So we can write here, put the rupee symbol first, 1313 rupee 22 paise. After writing the rupee symbol, need not to put the P here. We read this as rupee and paise. Shall we go to the next question? All of you look here. Second question. Look here. 236 rupee 98 paise into 8. For this, you have to write down the question in the working column. We need not to put the symbol. We have to write down only the number. 236 98 into 8. 8 8s are you have to by heart the multiplication table now. 8 8s are 64. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. 8 8s are 64. For 64 we write 4 here. 6 goes to this place. Then 8 9s are 5 9s are 45. 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 6, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. For 78, we write 8 here, carry over 7 here. 6 8s are 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 7. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 55 we write 5 here. 5 goes here. Then 3 8s are 180 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 5. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. For 29 we write 9 here. 2 goes to this place. 2 8s are 186. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 2, 17, 18. We write 18 here. So this is the answer. But we have to put the point here. What should you do? Count 2 digits from the right side and put the point here. 2 places. 2 places comes after the decimal point. So this is the answer. Don't forget to write down the symbol rupee. This is rupee 1895 rupee 84 paise. So the answer is 1895 rupee 84 paise. Children, always remember to find out the answer of the question just opposite to that question in the working column. Okay. So this is the way to do multiplication. All of you study and do your homework.